students, welcome to part 8 in profit and loss. In this video we will be discussing about type 13 questions in this topic. I want to explain only 2 questions in this video, very important questions. See, first question, a milk vendor purchased pure milk at 10 rupees a liter. Each liter how much? 10 rupees only. And sold diluted milk at 10 rupees a liter. Diluted milk means he mixed water with milk, thereby gaining what percentage? 60%. Means here there is a profit, percentage is 60% because of he mixed water to the milk. A milk vendor purchased pure milk at 10 rupees a liter. Okay, now see sub questions. First question, find the quantity of pure milk in 1 liter diluted solution. Second one, find the quantity of water in 1 liter diluted solution. First one is a pure milk and second one is a water, and third one is find the ratio of pure milk to water, and fourth one is find the ratio of water to total solution. Now see, 60% profit. Profit percentage is what? 60%. Now take the fractional value of this 60%, 6 by 10. 60 by 100, then after cancellation 6 by 10. Profit means up arrow. Now after cancellation 3 by 5. So here there is a profit percentage. Here 3 parts profit and 5 is CP. And 5 is pure milk. And P, profit is water. Because of mixing water to the pure milk, he got a profit. How much profit? 3 parts profit. Okay, 3 profit. So this is water. Okay, water, and this is a pure milk. Now see first question. Find the quantity of pure milk in 1 liter diluted solution. Here 1 liter. 1 liter means how many milliliters? 1000. 1000 milliliters. Here this is a pure milk and this is water. Okay. Here pure milk is a 5 parts and water is a 3 parts. So 5 is to 3. Pure milk and water. Here pure milk 1000 into 5 by total. Total is 8. So cancel this one to get pure milk. And here 1000 into water is how many parts? 3 parts. From total 8 parts. Okay. Now after cancellation, see how many times cancelled? 1 time and 20, 2 times, 16, 40, 125 times cancelled. Here also 125 times cancelled. 125 into 5 means that is 625. Here 125 into 3, 300 and 375. Okay. Pure milk is 625 and water is 375. First question answer is 625. This is the first question. And what is the second question? Find the quantity of water in 1 liter diluted solution. 1 liter diluted solution water is 375. So this is answer for second question. And now see third question. Find the ratio of pure milk to water. Pure milk to water ratio is, third question answer is 5 is to 3. Then finally fourth one is find the ratio of water to total solution. Water is 3. Total solution means 5 plus 3, that is 8. 3 is to 8. See second question. A milk vendor sells the milk at cost price only, but gaining 25% because he diluted the milk with water. Find all questions. Same questions like a previous question. First one is find the quantity of pure milk in diluted solution. Okay. What is the gaining percentage here? 25 percentage. Means the profit percentage is equal to 25 percentage. What is the fraction value? 1 by 4. Here 1 by 4 means 1 is profit and 4 is cost price. Here gained profit percentage because of mixing water. So this is for water and 4 is CP. This is for pure milk. Because purchased only pure milk. After purchasing that milk, he mixed some water to that milk. Then that is diluted. Okay. See first question. Find the quantity of pure milk in 1 liter diluted solution. 1 liter. 1 liter means the same 1000 milliliters. Just like the previous question. Okay. And pure milk to water. Here pure milk and here water. Pure milk is 4 parts and water is 1 part. Okay. To find out the pure milk, 1000 into 4 by 5, total 5. Okay. How many times cancelled? 200 times. Then finally what is the result? 800. Okay. 800 is a pure milk. Then remaining 200 is for water. Otherwise do calculation. 1000 into 1 by 5, then 200. So 200 milliliters is water and 800 milliliters is a pure milk. So answer for first question is 800. Answer for second question is 200. And third question is find the ratio of pure milk to water. Pure milk to water means 4:1. And last one is the ratio of water to total solution. Water 1:, total solution means 5. 1:5. I hope you understand these two questions very clearly. Still, if you have any doubt in profit and loss, let me know in the comment section. If you like the way of explanation, please hit the like button and share to your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.